What is a computer? Before starting, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon for getting notifications of all our upcoming videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. A computer is an electronic device that processes data. Wait, before you go anywhere, come back. I know this may seem like a very obvious answer, but it's actually more complicated than it seems. Don't worry. In this video series, we will be learning about computers in detail, so stay tuned. For now, let's understand the 4 basic functions of a computer. 1. Input. It is the way we give information to the computer. For example, typing on a keyboard or clicking a mouse are some ways of giving input to a computer. Think of it as a way for you to talk to the computer. 2. Processing. It is how the computer thinks and works with the information we give it. For example, when you ask a computer to calculate something, it will process the information and give you the result. 3. Output. It is how the computer shows us the results. For example, the results of a calculation can be seen on the screen or on a printer. 4. Storage. It is how the computer remembers information we need later. For example, if you save a document on your computer, it will be stored there until you need it. Different parts of a computer have different storage areas. Now you may ask, what is RAM? What is ROM? What is a hard disk? All these are types of storage areas. We will learn about them in detail in the upcoming videos. So these were the 4 basic functions of a computer. Now if you want to learn more about computers, stay tuned for the next video. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.